Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share with you a new purchase that just arrived in the mail today from Hermes. I'm gonna open up the packaging. Came in this silver wrapping. Oh, and it came in so there's another box with it too. It's all nice and opened up. So here is, I'm assuming this must be my receipt. Yeah, this is my receipt from Hermes. I ordered this online. Gives you all the information, their return policy and exchange policy. So let's see. Oh, get this opened. Oh, yay. Ooh, it came with Hermes stickers too. Cool. All right. So, bet you can tell maybe these are these are SLGs. So this is my first one. I saw these on the website come up, and you know, you have to kind of jump on certain colors when they come up because they disappear really, really quickly. So the nice little box and the ribbon, and I'm too impatient to try to take this off carefully. So to reveal, look at this tissue. Okay, my new Bastia coin purse, and this is in the, I believe this is Mysore. So this is the goat skin, and this is a color that is kind of difficult to find in any kind of their leather goods. This is the Mauve Sylvestre with palladium hardware, as you can see, made in France. So heavily grained, but really, really hardy and well wearing. And I bet you can guess this one too. Too impatient. I'll tear up this tissue paper. So this one is a Calvi in the same color. So now I have a matching set, a Calvi. This is also in the Mauve Sylvestre, which is kind of a pinkish lavender kind of color. Also with palladium hardware, and also in the goat skin, the Mysore chèvre leather. So you can see the graining obviously is similar, but not exactly the same. Obviously, different goats, different skins. So, but the color is pretty, I mean, it's pretty similar. You know, there's always going to be a little bit of variation because every hide is going to take the color slightly differently. So, you know, but I'm really thinking it's a very, very close color match, if not exactly the same. I just wanted to share these brand new items with you. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and if you like unboxings like this, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.